Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to filter out pro elements in Canva so we can easily find free graphics, photos, and templates. This is especially helpful when we are using the free version and want to avoid content that requires payment. On the Canva dashboard, we can search for elements, like here. We will notice that some elements, such as plants or tools, show up in the results. As we can see, some of these items require a pro plan, so we cannot use them. All we need to do is click on one of the free elements. We can tell it is free because there is no crown icon on it. Once we find one, we just click the three dots and select this option. See more like this. As we can see, the results shown will no longer have a crown or any pro label, so we can use all of these freely. And that is how we filter out pro content in Canva using just a couple of clicks. Now we can design using only free elements without any surprises.